In this tutorial, I'll show you how to highlight duplicate values in Smartsheet using conditional formatting so you can quickly spot repeated entries and keep your data organized. Start by opening your sheet and clicking Conditional Formatting from the toolbar. Then select New Rule to create a formatting rule. Choose the column where you want to check for duplicates, such as a project name, email address, or ID column. Next, set the condition that will identify duplicate values in that column. Once you've selected the appropriate condition, choose a formatting style, such as a background color or text color. Pick a color that stands out so duplicate entries are easy to identify. After configuring the rule, click Save. Smartsheet will automatically apply the formatting and highlight any cells that match your duplicate criteria. If needed, you can create additional formatting rules for other columns or use different colors to identify various types of duplicate data. Conditional formatting is also useful for highlighting overdue tasks, completed items, high priority projects, and other important information, helping you keep your sheets organized and easy to review. That's how to highlight duplicates in Smartsheet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.